Here I have ALCATEL U5 and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume up. So let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds. Keep holding both keys. Release them as soon as ALCATEL logo pops up on the screen and wait for the Android recovery system. And this is the recovery mode. Right now you have to choose your desired language. You can navigate here by using volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. So here we've got the list of available languages. In my case, let me choose English, press power key to confirm it. Right now let's navigate here in the same way. Let's scroll down to highlight wipe cache partition and press power key to choose it. The device is wiping cache, formatting all temporary cache files, and as soon as Android recovery pops up again on the screen, let's press power key to reboot system now. The device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode, so you have to wait a few seconds until you will be able to use your device. Excellent, as you can see the home screen just pops up. You can unlock your device and start using your phone. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.